Wow. Sun's not that hot, but it's still hot. Welcome to the Orchard Hills. I come up to Blubber Houses because that field that I'm waiting to be mown so I can get at it, which I believe is full of mud silver, still hasn't done it because it's been too dry, believe it or not. So he says, hey, get in this paddock here. Usually it's a bog, but it's as dry as a bone now, so here we go. Used to be a house there, buildings, look, and then there's more buildings down the bottom. Just got to keep my eye out for a bull. There's a bull around somewhere. I'm on the other side of the valley to where I usually go up there, up that valley. Nice though, you can't beat it. And of course that's the reservoir down there. It's a bit low, look, you can see the banks. Wow, the nail. Pinpointer's gone on the blink. Very auspicious. Sun's coming out, getting hot. Oh. Well, I thought it was a musket ball, but strange. It's a long musket ball. Well, I got what I thought was a coin, but not so sure it isn't lead. Get a good clean up when we get back. Yay, we got something. Circular. Whoa, hard work without the pinpointer. Making a mess. Still, in this field, a mess doesn't matter. It's one big mess. Getting a couple of artifacts, but that's about your lot. There you go. Tin can. Typical. An 88. Wowee. Look at the size of that lead weight. Massive. Massive, massive, massive. Look. It's got to be 10 inches long. Wowee. That is too heavy to carry. There you go, on the wall top. Next time I'm here and I'm feeling fit, I'll have a go at that. I've done that field there. Well, I've done some of it. Found a couple of Georgians over there. Oh no, down that tree, that far tree. So maybe I haven't done this field. Still, carry on. I've got to do this rubbish tip. God, it's hot. One weird little buckle. Yes. I thought that was one of these kosher, Jewish kosher spoons, but have a look at it and it's lost all the spoon. So there's only a bit of it left. Yay. It's hot. There's the other part of the spoon. Yeah. It's not hot, it's muggy. You know, where you're trying to sweat and you can't. You're just wet through. Oh dear. Oh, you know, us English don't have moan. Hey. Oh. Ooh, a breeze. Chunk of chrome off a car. I don't do iron and I definitely don't do chrome. Looks like a bit of brass. Do you know what? Hey, look at that. Grindstone. Oldie, oldie, oldie. Wonder how long that's been there. See if I can get round here without breaking my neck. Oh, and it still rolls, look. Well, that's got to be at least Victorian, hasn't it? Ooh. Oh, a breeze getting up. Yeah, good one. You can blow the paw down if you want. I think I'll have a look. I think I'll have a look in that field. Yeah, don't look right promising, but in fact it looks like it's been drained. I found quite a bit in that next field. We'll have a wander there. Haven't been up there yet on those hills. Too steep. A button! Oh my goodness. It gets hard some days. Off electric plug. I think this is just modern rubbish in this field. It's been ploughed. Ah dear. Oh, carry on. Here, tag. Yeah. Oh. Love sheep. Keep the grass short. Oh, I've just heard thunder over there. Which way is this wind blowing? That way, I think. Might just miss that. Did you hear that? Thunder. Just got a button. Bit of a button. Oh, been a hard day today. Whew. I think I'll have a sit down. Now that's something you don't see every day. I come back to the car and it is absolutely covered with flying ants. Look at them. Way. Oh. Well, I've given it up. I gave it up an hour and a half ago. I've been supping tea down with farmer's wife and talking about this, that and the other. Finding out what's going on. That's the way you do it if you want permissions. I'm going to go in there. That's where I found that Cromwellian penny. But he hasn't cut it. And I was going to go over there. That's why I come to go over there, but he hasn't cut that either. So, oh well, I'll settle for a piece of lead of unknown origin. Oh, I've been sat down too long, I don't want to do anything. Isn't it gorgeous here though overnight? Oh, right, I'll pack up, I'll see you at the roundup. Hello, it's starting to rain. See the spots on the windscreen? I told him it would rain the minute I left. Look at those flies on the windscreen. The ants, I mean, they're flying ants. Little buggers can bite. Oh, onward. Oh, you know, the minute I left that farm, it ain't absolutely poured down on the way home. It's actually reached here where I live now. It's raining. Ah, look at that. Junk, 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 junk. A nail, junk. Got an ear tag off a cow. Look. Ketchum. And that tag, that lead, I introduced it to my friend Mr. Weiss and strained it out. There's whatever that is, I can't make it out. Can't make it out at all. And the other side must have a high silver content in it, because I just got a little bit of Brillo on and whoosh, the silver lead's coming through. And then that little brooch, What do you reckon, eh? I can't actually read the pattern that's around the side, but it's a silver brooch. It's got very stained. I mean, the rod is, even the rod is silver that goes across, and it's got an iron back, so it's silver over iron look, and the iron's just crumbling away to nothing. But let me have a close look at this, see if I can get a close up on these markings. Ugh. We really can't make any of them out. They look foreign. Definitely can't make those markings out. Maybe you can. Look, 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 definite pattern all the way around. So guess what? I got a touch of silver. Unbelievable. Right. Yep. So look, it's out there. Even on a day like today, it can come up with a bit of silver. Oh, it's out there. Go get it. Anyway, you take care. And go get it. Okie dokie. Off to Bulgaria on Saturday. Beep beep beep. Loving it.